Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rara Chandrani Tias, NIM 2103020040, kelas A Pendidikan Matematika, Fakultas Keguruan dan Ilmu Pendidikan. Di sini saya akan menjelaskan mengenai jurusan saya, yaitu jurusan Pendidikan Matematika. Apa itu pendidikan matematika? What is a mathematics education major? The Department of Mathematics Education is a set of numbers and calculation that studies a combination of pure and applied mathematics. Pure first applied mathematics such as algebra, geometry, mathematical analysis, statistics, computing, actuarial, as well as operation research. But you don't end there in this department either. We'll be taught how to teach this session in a fun way to students so that it is easy to understand. The Department of Mathematics Education is one of the study programs under the Faculty of Teacher Training and Education. Graduates will get a SPD or Bachelor of Education EduFrance. Apa jurusan pendidikan matematika? Why majoring in mathematics education? The mathematics education major is suitable for you who like mathematics but also have a passion for teaching, because many students feel that mathematics is a difficult subject. Therefore, in teaching, creativity is also needed to find more exciting and effective learning methods so that mathematics is no longer considered difficult to take part in the equal distribution of quality education program in Indonesia. Enrich your experience by joining the undergraduate education program in Frontier Outermost and Disadvantaged Regions SM3T. In addition, there are many fields of work that require graduates from this department who are known for their analytical thinking skills, logic and problem-solving abilities. Career opportunities for graduates ranging from being educators or academic but high school teacher of lecturers. Apakah kamu tahu kebutuhan jurusan pendidikan matematika di dunia kerja? Do you know needs of graduates majoring in mathematics education in the world of work? For those of you who want to work in government agencies, mathematics education graduates can work in various central and local government institutions ranging from elementary SMA curriculum analysis (PNS) at the Ministry of Education and Culture, elementary SMA Learning Program Designer (PNS) at the Ministry of Education and Culture, Learning Technology Developers (PNS) in state university and education and training institution BPS, Central Statistics Agency, Ministry of Finance, and many more. You can also benefit in other ways, for example by writing textbooks, compiling practice books question of becoming an editor who specializes in mathematics lessons at the public office. Mathematics education graduates can also become financial statistics with the ability to predict the condition of the financial world and play a role in financial modeling, simulation, and analysis. Mathematics education can also work on computational processes. You can have a career as a network manager with mathematical knowledge and various fields of software development, with various calculation. Dan mata kuliah jurusan pendidikan matematika. Courses majoring in mathematics education, lecturers in the Department of Mathematics Education for 4 years of college. You not only learn mathematics, but you learn how to teach mathematics to students so that it is easy to understand, and these you are also required to be creative so that the atmosphere of learning mathematics in class is fun to hone your teaching skills. You will also join the field experience program. Through this program, you will directly teach students at school for a certain period of time. Mathematics education major. The following are the courses you will study in the Department of Mathematics Education. EduFriends 1. Linear algebra, matrix algebra, numerical analysis, real analysis, regression analysis, vector analysis, complex variable function, analytic geometry, plane geometry, geometry of space, geometry transformation calculus, curriculum analysis, and 13. Mathematics teach planning, basic and learning projects of mathematics, evaluation of learning process and outcomes, mathematics curriculum and learning, educational foundation, discrete mathematics, mathematical economics, microthings, mathematics learning model, education management, students development and guidance, differential equation, educational profession, computer program, linear program, mathematical statistics, mathematical learning strategies and media, algebraic structure, number theory, graph theory, trigonometry. Siswa yang ada di jurusan pendidikan matematika. Suitable students character in the Mathematics Education Department. Be careful, persistent, details, critical, rational, structured, independent, happy to count, communication skill, and interpersonal skill. Universitas terbaik di jurusan pendidikan matematika. Best University majoring in Mathematics Education. The following is a list of the best university for the Department of Mathematics Education, accrediting A by BANPT in Indonesia. Ahmad Dahlan University UAD Yogyakarta, Muhammadiyah University of Surakarta UMS Surakarta, Indonesian University of Education UPI Bandung, Semarang State University UNNES UNES Semarang, State University of Malang UM Malang, University of Jember UNEJ Jember, 11 Maret University UNS Surakarta, Medan State University Unimed Medan, University of Riau UNRI Riau, Makassar State University UNM Makassar. Pekerja jurusan pendidikan matematika. Job prospect in mathematics education. Academy. Graduates of the Department of Mathematics Education are prepared to become teachers of mathematics teacher at the junior high or high school level. Besides this, graduate from this department, we can also become reliable entrepreneurs in the field of education, because having a background in educational skills allows us to open tutoring or private mathematics as an alternative to students learning outside of school. Actuary. An actuary will use statistics to determine the probability of certain event occurring. Furthermore, they will seek to minimize the risks associated with the event. An actuary usually works in the insurance industry, where they will help companies to design policies and determine the premiums to be paid. Market research analysis. A market research analysis will help companies to decide what products consumers will buy and how to promote it. They will use the data that has been collected in the field and use statistical methods to analyze it. Market research analysts will share their findings with company leaders by preparing written reports and graphical representation of survey results. Cost analysis. A cost estimator is someone in charge of calculating the cost of completing a construction or manufacturing projects. The cost estimator will take into account expense or costs related to labor, raw material, and equipment used. A cost estimator requires strong mathematical skill for a construction project to run efficiently. Statistic expert. In simple terms, statisticians work by collecting data that enables government, companies, and universities to answer certain questions. The statistician will use mathematical techniques, decide what method to use and how to solve the problem at hand. Financial planner. Becoming a financial advisor allows you to help plan the short-term and long-term financial goals of a person or company. The financial advisor will plan for savings, future tuition, retirement, necessary investment, insurance, and tax. Operational research analysis. Operations research analysis are tasked with formulating and applying mathematical models and other optimization that can assist management levels in making decisions, formulating policies, or other management functions. Pertanyaan umum yang sering ditanyakan di jurusan pendidikan matematika. Frequently asked question. 1. What degree did the graduation get? The degree that will be obtained is the title of SPD. What is learned in this department? Learned about the basics of mathematics such as algebra, calculus, geometry, statistics, and the basics of mathematics and naturalization, and learning how to teach and educate appropriately. 3. What are the job prospects for the graduates? You can work as academic editor, teacher of lecturers, civil servants, BPS, and many more. Itu saja yang bisa saya sampaikan. Saya ucapkan terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.